The Vivo V60 is a stylish and feature-packed smartphone that focuses on a premium user experience, particularly in design, durability, and photography. It's positioned as a mid-range powerhouse, bringing several flagship-like features to a more accessible price point. For pros, premium and durable design. The phone has a sleek, ergonomic build with a quad-curve display and a slim profile, despite housing a large battery. Its IP68/IP69 rating and diamond shield glass make it highly durable. Exceptional battery life. The massive 6,500 mAh battery provides a long-lasting charge, easily lasting more than a day with moderate to heavy usage. Fast charging. The 90W flash charge technology is impressive, quickly topping up the battery in under an hour. Versatile camera system. The Zeiss-tuned camera setup, especially with the addition of a 50MP telephoto lens, offers great versatility and high-quality portraits. The creative shooting modes like Wedding Vlog and AI 4-Season Portrait cater to content creators. Vibrant display. The 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 5,000 nits peak brightness delivers a smooth and visually rich experience, even in direct sunlight. Extended software support. Vivo promises 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches, which is a significant advantage for longevity. For cons, UFS 2.2 storage. The use of UFS 2.2 storage is a notable drawback. For a phone in this price range in 2025, it's considered outdated and can impact app loading speeds and overall performance compared to competitors with UFS 3.1 or UFS 4.0. Average performance. While the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 is a capable processor for daily tasks, it may not be the best choice for heavy gaming or intensive workloads, and some reviewers have noted overheating issues during extended use. Cluttered software. FunTouchOS 15, while user-friendly, comes with pre-installed apps and can feel less fluid and polished compared to a stock Android experience. Inconsistent low-light camera performance. While daylight photos are excellent, low-light and night shots can show grain and a limited dynamic range. Skin tones can also appear overly contrasty and less natural. No expandable storage. The absence of a microSD card slot means users are limited to the internal storage they purchase. 4 special features. Zeiss Global Imaging Partnership. This collaboration brings professional-grade camera features, including Zeiss optics, specialized portrait modes, and cinematic color tones, directly to the phone. AI integration. The Vivo V60 comes with Google Gemini pre-installed, offering AI-powered features for real-time translations, photo editing, and more. Durability. The combination of IP68/IP69 ratings and shot diamond shield glass makes the V60 one of the most durable phones in its class. Innovative battery technology. The 6,500 mAh silicon carbon battery is a significant highlight, offering a huge capacity in a surprisingly slim form factor. Overall conclusion. The Vivo V60 is a highly compelling smartphone that excels in design, durability, and camera features. Its stunning looks, robust build, and powerful battery with fast charging make it a top contender in the mid-range segment. The collaboration with Zeiss provides a powerful and versatile camera system that is particularly well-suited for portrait and creative photography. The commitment to long-term software support is also a significant selling point. However, the phone is not without its flaws. The use of UFS 2.2 storage is a major concern for a device at this price point, as it can be a bottleneck for performance. The processor, while capable, may not be the fastest in its class, and the FunTouchOS can feel cluttered. The Vivo V60 is a perfect choice for users who prioritize a premium design, excellent battery life, and a feature-rich camera for social media and creative content. It's a reliable daily driver that offers a durable and visually appealing experience. If you are a power user who needs top-tier raw performance and the absolute fastest storage, you might consider other options.